What's the meaning of civilize? Civilize. Civilize.
Civilize. Civilize. The word civilize means to bring a society or community to a more advanced and organized state. The result of civilization is a society that is characterized by higher levels of cultural, social, technological, and economic development. Civilized societies typically have established systems of governance, laws and regulations, infrastructure, education, art, science, religion, and ethics. They value human rights and dignity, and promote peaceful coexistence among individuals and groups with different beliefs and backgrounds. In short, civilization creates a complex and sophisticated structure that enables individuals to live in a more harmonious and prosperous world.